NACOS contributes a great deal to my day-to-day. It definitely gives me the opportunity to have a lot of additional tools in my toolbox, whether it be human resource management, whether it be communication with our chefs, facility design and development, just being able to grow our business on a day-to-day basis and see beyond what's in front of you. Really definitely make you more proactive rather than reactive. So it's really been very, very important for us and my entire staff. NACOS, it typically puts me in contact with about 1,000 people annually, which is important. Those relationships that you build even beyond the national and regional conferences. Having the opportunity to go to symposiums related to like directors and chefs. Actually this past year, actually leading one. That was huge for me because it puts you in a position to not just taking information like we normally do, but now actually giving back and being utilized as a resource to help others that are new in their roles or subsequently been in their roles for some time. But the thing that I've been focusing on even more so is just growing the rest of my team members that I'm with on a day-to-day basis, because you can't really articulate what you get from this. You actually have to bring people here to be able to build the same type of networks and also just have those opportunities to be able to push themselves.